The Prague Castle is a historic fortress complex perched on a hill overlooking Prague. It is one of the largest ancient castles in the world, a house Czech presidents and serves as a major cultural and tourist attraction. It contains numerous historical buildings including the St. Vitus Cathedral, the Old Royal Palace, and the Golden Lane. Entrance to the outside parts of Prague Castle is free, but some areas required a ticket. Ayan, no? Ganda, laki. Kita mo talaga, yung old blood siya. Very old. Ayan. Oh. Alright. There we are. Ganda. Ayan, no?
Sana palaki mo ako video.
Ganda, oh. Ganda.
I can't open because it's scratch.
Ganda. Papasok kami dyan. Alagad na? Wow. Kanya naman ho yan. Talagang napakaganda. Ayan, oh. San ka pa? The St. Vitus Cathedral is the largest and the most important church in Czech Republic. It is a Gothic masterpiece located within the Prague Castle. The construction began in 1344 and continued for centuries. Features stunning stained glass windows, intricate stonework, and the tomb of many Bohemian kings and queens.
tower of St.
Going to
Vitus
the
Cathedral.
tower, right at the top. Ito yung mechanical device niya. Ano naman? From the top of the great south tower of St. Vitus Cathedral, you will see the Prague Castle, the sprawling complex of buildings that dominate the city skyline. You can see its courtyard, garden, and other structures. You can also see the Old Town Square, the historic heart of Prague, which is iconic astronomical clock, trade church, and colorful building. You can also see the Charles Bridge, the famous bridge crossing the Vltava River, adorned with a statue of saints. Make sure you bring a camera with you to capture the stunning views.
It's a dream.
Ayan, no?
Worth it yung nilakad natin, Dad. Ay, inakyat pala. Hindi nilakad. Inakyat. Ang ganda, Dad.
Baba, ayan.
Tignan mo
Ayan sa
yung
baba,
roof
ayan ang baba.
ng katedral na to. Grabe. Ay, oo.
Ayan,
My gosh.
Ito siya.
My goodness.
Ayan.
Ang ganda.
Boom niya. Ayan yung structure
Look at the, Charles Bridge also.
Ayan, oh.
Charles Bridge.
Budong buong Prague, ayan, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. The Charles Bridge. Ganda. Ayan sa baba. Ayan, oh. Ayan sa baba. Taas namin.
Ito ba yung
Kuha ko lahat yan, ha.
Hintay ko na lang sa vlog mo.
Shvatim da li je Čehinja koja dobro zna naš ili nekako, samo sam prošao, to vjerojatno ti me zoveš, i ako pogovatim, a oni su baš...
Ay, kami. Ano natin?
Mhm. Nako, ang kabauan niya. Ano naman? Ganda.
Nandun tayo ba, diba?
Eh, yung tuktok na yan sa middle. Ano ang kabuuan niya? Para buong maalap, imagine nyo.
St. Vitus Cathedral.